Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. I found these Ghirardelli caramel flavored baking chips at the grocery store a few weeks ago and I had to try them. And what better recipe to use than the one off the back of the bag? Let's put these caramel pecan cookies together. We're starting with 1.5 sticks of butter. Now the recipe says to melt and then cool slightly, although we're in the upper 90s, so I just decided to let this butter sit out until it started melting on its own. Like all good cookies, we're creaming our sugars with our butter. Once that's light and fluffy, we can add in the baking soda, baking powder, salt, eggs, and vanilla. Once that's light and fluffy, we can add in our flour, half at a time. We only want to add it until it's just mixed, or these cookies can become tough. Last but not least, we add in our pecans and caramel chips. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees and I do have my convection oven on. I have an insulated baking sheet covered with a layer of parchment paper. Let's give these cookies a taste. They're a little bit like a praline. Very sweet, delicious. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.